Welcome to the forefront of modern manufacturing. At Shanghai Target Industry Co. Limited, we take pride in our CNC machining workshop, equipped with advanced CNC double-head milling machines that deliver precision, reliability, and efficiency. Our CNC double-head milling machine is designed for high precision and high-efficiency machining, ideal for mass production or complex part processing. Its dual spindle design enables simultaneous processing of both ends of a workpiece, significantly boosting productivity. With the latest CAD/CAM technology and multi-axis linkage, the machine ensures superior quality and meets the most stringent industry standards. As a national high-tech enterprise, we continually invest in cutting-edge technology and maintain strict quality control to ensure our products exceed performance and durability standards. Our machines are capable of handling various materials like aluminum and stainless steel with ease, providing unmatched accuracy and consistency. At Shanghai Target Industry, we specialize in manufacturing food machinery, including gummy production lines, biscuit manufacturing equipment, and popping boba machinery. Our products are designed for ease of use, reliability, and optimal performance. We also offer comprehensive after-sales support, including overseas debugging services and one-on-one assistance. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further information, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to collaborating with you to create a bright future together.